Hey y'all, so today I'll be showing y'all my spring wash day routine. I did a twist out on my blown out hair, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too, kinda quintessential and you love being you, baby, you are a queen.
So I'm starting off with using Uncle Funky's Daughter by Buildup Cleansing Conditioner. It is for natural, chemically treated, and also heat styled hair. So all I'm doing is just penetrating this throughout my strands. I am massaging it into my scalp to make sure that I do clean it well. After I rinse it out, this is how my hair is looking, and as you see, there are no buildup in my hair. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair next using their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. If you've neglected moisturizing your hair during the winter, the best thing to do is to deep condition your hair more frequently to bring back moisture just in time for spring. Deep conditioning hair also helps to smooth your hair shaft and gain back your natural shine. So now all I'm doing is just making sure that the products are within all of my strands. I am putting my hair cap on. I set under it for 5 minutes. This is how my hair looks with it all rinsed out. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is using my Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. It is for kinky, curly, and also wavy textures. So all I'm doing is just spraying it on the ends of my hair and working it throughout all of my hair strands. So for this step, all I'm doing is just separate my hair, and I am running a blow dryer throughout my strand just to give my hair a more stretched look. This is actually optional. You don't have to blow dry your hair, but I just decided to just for the look that I'm going for. So after I blow dry that strands, as you can see, my hair is actually shiny. So there's really nothing too particular in this, just using my brush and just making sure that my hair can get as straight as possible with this blow dryer. For this next step, I am going to be separating and parting my hair to create braids on this side. I know some people say they don't know how to braid, so you can actually do twists if you want to. So anyways, I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail just to get the rest of my hair out the way. Then I'm just getting this part of my comb just to help part my hair, and I'm just going to start braiding it. Now for this last step, all I'm going to do is part my hair, and I'm gathering some hair together. I'm going to be adding the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream in my hair, and I'm just going to rub it through, and I'm just going to comb it through so that way I can make sure that all of it is covered. After I comb it all through, I am just going to be taking 2 pieces of my hair and just start making the 2-strand twist all the way down till I get to the ends. For the ends of my hair, I just applied a little more product just to make sure that it was holding well, and I just swirled it around my fingers. You can actually apply rods at the end. I just decided to leave it carefree. So this is how it looks with it all twisted down. So I'm just going to be proceeding on until I actually am finished with twisting my hair. I love how well this moisturizing cream actually moisturizes my hair. It's made specifically to help hydrate, detangle, define, and also add moisture to your dry curls. Twisting my hair with this stuff actually makes it a lot more easier because it is moisturizing. After all of my hair is twisted, this is how it looks. It looks so juicy. So anyways, moving on, this is actually the next day. I did sleep in these overnight. I could have sat under my dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour. It would have been dry, but I just decided to keep these in a little longer so that I can make sure that my hair is well defined. So I'm just unraveling all of the twists that I do have. After I unravel them, I am going to be separating my curls and also fluffing it out. hello to moisture and definition and just bomb results, y'all. I love this whole product line. This look is definitely great for the springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, also subscribe. Also check out my description box. It'll have my discount code and the website to purchase. Love y'all. God bless.